Internet connection. How to connect your vehicle's infotainment system to the Internet. With the Discover Media Navigation System, you can use either a Wi-Fi hotspot or a car stick to connect to the Internet. With the Discover Pro Navigation System, you can choose between a Wi-Fi hotspot, a SIM card or a Bluetooth connection. Please note that a business telephone interface is needed for connection via SIM card and Bluetooth. In addition, for a Bluetooth connection, your mobile end device must support the RSAP standard. To connect your Volkswagen to the Internet for the first time, select the menu item Car-Net, and the online configuration wizard will guide you through all the necessary steps. You will find details of the aforementioned options in the following. Wi-Fi hotspot. This is how to connect your vehicle's infotainment system to the Internet with a Wi-Fi hotspot. Click on the Car-Net button in the menu of your infotainment system. Select the option Wireless LAN. Click on Find and select your hotspot. If necessary, enter your hotspot's network key. Your infotainment system will then be connected to the Internet. Car stick. This is how to establish an Internet connection with the help of a car stick. First of all, ensure that your car stick is equipped with an Internet-capable micro SIM card. Now connect the car stick with your Volkswagen via the USB interface. In the infotainment system, now select Network Settings and enter your SIM pin there. A click on Connect will connect your infotainment system to the Internet. SIM card. How to establish an Internet connection with the help of your SIM card slot. First, make sure that your Discover Pro system is equipped with the business telephone interface. Now put your Internet-capable SIM card in your vehicle's SIM card slot. Then decide whether your SIM card should only be used for data connections or also for phone calls. Now enter your SIM pin to activate it. The system tells you that a network connection is needed to connect to the Internet. This may incur additional costs. A click on Connect will now connect your infotainment system to the Internet. There is an active Internet connection when a globe symbol is displayed in the top area of your infotainment system. You will find written instructions and help with setting up an Internet connection at www.volkswagen.com/carnet.